Hello folks, so today we'll be solving our third question in the SQL 50 series of Leetcode, that is the big countries. The problem number is 595 and there has been provided just one table, that is the table world. Yeah, so let's read the description. Name is the primary key. So the column name is the primary key which contains only the unique values, no duplicate allowed. Each row of this table gives information about the name of a country, the continent to which it belongs, its area, population, and its GDP value. Fine. So this is the dataset provided. So this column name is the primary key, continent to which it belongs is there, its area, population, and GDP is also given in the following columns. So a country is big country if it has an area of at least 3 million. 3 million means 30 lakh square kilometer. Or, so keep in mind this is or, not and. So, or it has a population of at least 25 million. That is 2 crore 50 lakh. The problem statement is write a solution to find the name, population, and area of the big countries. And we can give this solution in any order. Fine. So we'll start. First of all, select what is the column names we need. That is name column. Then comma, we need population. And then we need the area. So we'll just copy them directly so that we don't do any spelling mistake. Area from which table? The table name is world. So from world, now we'll give the filter where area. So we can see the condition area at least 3 million, at least, that is more than equal to. If it was more than 3 million, it could have been more than only this symbol was to be used, but it is at least 3 million, that is more than equal to 3 million. So it should be 3 and then fine. And then we have the or condition, or population again at least is given, at least 25 million, so more than equal to 25, and then just copy and paste from here itself. Fine, let's try to run this now. Yes, this has passed the first test case. We'll submit this now to check all the other test cases for this problem. Yes, it has passed all the six test cases here. Fine. Thank you, folks.